Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another awesome video. My name is Erastus from Garment Creations. On this channel, you get tips and tricks to amplify your t-shirt business. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm coming in today to give you a quick update about the course. All right, so today only you're able to save 25% off. All right, so that's 25% off. So the course that's originally priced at $39.99, you're able to pay only $29.99 to get that value. So go ahead and join right now. Link is in the description of the video, and join the other students that are having a great time. We got maybe about 200 people that's already enrolled in that course, and it's been nothing but value, great reviews. And if you're not part of the Facebook group to see some of those reviews, go ahead and join the Facebook group. It's called Fire Up the Heat Press. And yeah, so I'm not just here telling you, hey man, you should join this course. People are already doing it, and people are having great results. People are saying things like, oh, this thing has helped me a lot. It's totally worth the money. I honestly believe that it's totally worth the money, because the time that I've spent learning this process of Photoshop to be able to give it back to y'all, it costs more than whatever I'm charging you for it. So it's important that you take that step in investing in yourself and learning how to design t-shirts, how to work with Photoshop, how to basically just sharpen up your skill. All right, so for today only, you can go ahead and purchase this thing for $29.99. That's a bargain. That's golden. And I don't know if I'm able to drop it any lower than that. So let me know in the comments below if you've already taken this course and what type of value are you finding. And yeah, that's basically all I had to tell y'all. There's more content coming out. There's some good news coming out on the channel. I'm just working on a few things right now to make sure the next chapter of this channel is going to bring you value. All right, so go ahead and smash the like on this video and leave a comment down below. Until next time, I see y'all on the other side. Y'all be safe out there. Go ahead and enroll, man, and save your money while you learn and invest. All right, God bless y'all. Keep firing up that heat press, and I see you on the other side.